It's that time of the year when you take your petrol tools out of the garden shed where they've been languishing for the last 6 months, and when you try and start them, they do start, they take a lot longer, and it's a bit of a lackluster outcome. So this is a very quick spring service just showing you how to take care of the air and fuel system. There's no money spent here, this is all about cleaning. So that's the air filter, which is just no more than a piece of sponge, which is covering where the carburetor is behind it. And I'm going to clean that with compressed air. If you didn't have compressed air, I guess you could use a stiff paintbrush. This is a little doohickey that I forgot about, so that I'm going to clean and then put that back in again. And there was only one way that could go back in, so that made things simple. And then on with the cap, and then just turn that little grommet 90 degrees. Now I turn my attention to the fuel system. When you look inside it, you can see it's really quite dirty, lots of debris there. So I pull that out into a tray, and ignoring the water, which is nothing to do with the fuel, that, as I move it, you can see all the debris in there, and that big stuff is going to get caught in this fuel filter that I'm just about to pull out with these handy dandy tweezers. I can then clamp off the pipe underneath it and remove the fuel filter so that I can then blast compressed air through the back end of it and clean it out completely. And then I can replace that, and that's another job ticked off. Now, one thing I did do, which was in the wrong order, was I decided to use that compressed air to clean the tank out itself, and it would have been better if I'd done that first. And in fact, I used the camera to take a shot of the inside of the tank after I'd cleaned it out with compressed air. And I only noticed in the edit that there's still a little bit of debris left in there, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. You could just see the neck there, a bit of dirt being displaced by the compressed air. And there's that stuff I was talking about. But hey ho, I didn't see it at the time. So that's all there is to it, really. If you hang around for another 10 or 15 seconds, you'll see the end results, a genuine cold start. And if you look in the top right hand corner, you'll see my name, Sean Hughes, and please consider subscribing. Or, at the very least, take a look at my channel. There's about 70 videos on there. Anything from DIY, building, garden maintenance, a few little arty projects, lots of woodworking stuff, tools, lots to enjoy. I'll leave you with it. Thanks for watching.